The next thing I've done in the model is I've created a user event. This user event is fired at time 0, and it defines the animation logic for the model. In this model, the airplane is a task executor, so I use task sequences to define the behavior. Now first off, if you're going to define animation behavior through task sequences, then you need to specify animations by their rank. So in my code, I've created macros that define the spin propeller animation as the first animation, and the raised landing gear animation as the second animation. First, I create an empty task sequence. Then I add a start animation task that starts the spin propeller animation. So the plane will immediately start spinning its propeller at time 0. Next, I tell the plane to delay for 5 seconds, after which it is to travel 50 meters in the X direction. Once it's finished traveling 50 meters, I tell it to start the raised landing gear animation. Then I have it travel 50 more meters in the X direction as well as 10 meters in the Z direction. So the plane will start its raised landing gear animation and then immediately start lifting off the ground. So now I'll close this window and run the simulation to see what it looks like. I reset and run, and immediately the plane starts spinning its propeller. Then after 5 seconds, the plane will start moving forward. Then once it's traveled 50 meters, it will start the raised landing gear animation, while continuing to run the spin propeller animation. So that's an example of implementing animations in the model. I should add that this model uses task sequences to define animation behavior. You can also use the start animation command to start animations, and you can refer to that in the command documentation.